How I become an atheist. A nun sowed the seed of my atheism. She was a replacement teacher for that day, and she started a discussion about the difference between venial sin and mortal sin. If you died with a venial sin on your conscience, you spend time in purgatory. If you died with a mortal sin on your conscience, you spend eternity in hell. A question was posed, asking about babies that are born and die early without being baptized. The nun replied that baby would spend time in purgatory, basically hell, but not forever, and would then be united with God. Something in me clicked. Something didn't seem right about that God would allow a baby to burn for the simple fact that it wasn't baptized. That was the seed that she planted. That seed has now sprung forth and is the mighty oak that is my atheism. One thing I wanted to change in my response was the last line. My atheism is a mighty willow, as opposed to an oak, still tall and strong, but it bends.